Hi loves and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Flo here and this is the Curious Entrepreneur KE. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. If this is first time here, karibu sana, and I hope that you will consider subscribing to this channel before the end of this video. And if this is not your first time here, thank you very much for coming back and I love you. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a cleaning video. I'm going to be cleaning my kids' bedroom and arranging it kidogo kidogo. It's not going to be a bedroom makeover. No, this is how my kids' bedroom have been looking for the last like 6-7 months. I'm going to be cleaning it, arranging it with you guys, and I'm going to be giving you 4 points on how you can be able to decorate your kids' bedroom. Make sure it looks nice and fabulous, colorful, especially when they are sharing it with their nanny. Yeah, most of us don't pay attention to our kids' bedroom when they are sharing it with their nanny for reasons that I don't understand. I know the reasons, but I'm going to be discussing with you guys later. But for today, I'm going to be doing a cleaning video. This is one of those videos that you don't want to shoot because you don't want to change your clothes, you don't want to do makeup, do your hair. Do you see me? Yeah, that's me and my baby girl. Unatuona hapo ni mimi, tunafuatana na yeye mpaka dakika ya mwisho. Don't mind us, don't mind our hairs, just watch the video and listen to the points, and I'm sure by the end of this video you will be motivated to do something about your kids' bedroom. So point number 1, have a theme for your bedroom, for the kids' room. Mostly if it's a girl, a boy, I don't want to say pink for a girl, blue for a boy, because those are the most commonly known colors. But as you can see in my bedroom, yeah, it's pink and blue. My baby boy is 3 years, my baby girl is 2 years old, and then that bed that I'm arranging right now, it's for my nanny. The theme of my room is pink and blue. As you can see, that blanket nilinunua mtumba, nilibuy 1500 mtumba. It's very nice, it's very colorful, it's beautiful, and it's blending nicely with the theme of the room. Easy beddings za watoi wangu, most of them zenye walikuwa wanatumia when they were still babies because they are still very young. But then the one that matters ni yenye inatumika kwa by their msichana wako, because I know most of us pay attention to our kids beddings a lot, and we spend a lot of money on them because we want them to be very, very comfortable when they are sleeping, and then we forget the nanny. No, please don't do that. Get a nice pillow, get some nice beddings, let them go with them with the theme of the color. It doesn't have to be new. No, it doesn't have to be new. You can give them your used the ones that you used to use, the beddings, bed sheets. Like mine, I gave them zenye sikuwa natumia because they were not coming into zikuwa zinakaa poa in my bed. The bed sheets, hata hiyo blanket, I bought it as mine, and then ikaona ikai poa, I had to give it to them because kuna vile ilikuwa inakaa fiti in their bed. So make sure you get them nice beddings. Always spend a coin or two, mpatie, wacha alale vizuri, amekufanyia kazi the whole day, they are tired, they also need some time to just relax and breathe. Make sure the bed looks nice and also the beddings look nice. Make sure you blend in them very nicely in the kids' bedroom. Ndo hata kalas zenyewe zikingia, hata ukiingia unaweza sema mimi ndo ulala kwa hiyo kitanda, because it looks very neat na inafaa kukaa hivyo throughout, all through, not just today, no, throughout. Akiamka anajua vile anafaa kuitengeneza. It's supposed to look like that all through, and I'm arranging like this because I'm expecting a new nanny. That's why you can see me changing the beddings na nini, and I'm gonna tell you a reason why, guys. I'm going to be telling you a reason why you should do this. So point number 1, have a theme for the kids' bedroom. When you're collecting their beddings, hata ukiamua kupaint, make sure it's going with the kids theme, the theme of the color. So point number 2, don't have a lot of clothes lying around, especially those ones that you're not using. Kuna watu wenye sahi mtoto wako anaelekea class 8 form 4, lakini nguo yenye ulimtoa nayo hospitali bado you still have it. Ati ni memory. Take a photo, frame it, that's a good memory. But nguo zinakujazia room. You have a lot of space that you can be able to use with other things, but then you decide to kuiweka manguo. I was once like that, but then si sana. I don't get attached to such things because I love space. I love my space. And actually, as I was beginning this video, you saw me folding a few clothes, and zile zilikuwa zimepangwa poa kwa cabinet. I was removing them. Nikaona kama gunia mzima ya nguo zenye nafaa kupeana. I give them out to children's home, ama nikiona kuna madam fulani maybe anahitaji nguo za watoi, beddings, hizo manini, I give them out. I don't store clothes that I'm not using. Please get rid of them, create those space, eka flower vase hapo ama kitu ingine, but let that space feel free. Wacha ikuwe free. And even when you're folding the clothes, make sure kama zimefuliwa leo, zimefoldiwa kesho. That's another way to keep your room very neat. Make sure they are folded the next day. Na hata kwa cabinets, make sure they are arranged in a very, very systematic manner. Kama ni vest ziko hapa. Kama ni t-shirts ziko hapa. Kama ni trousers ziko hapa. That way, even when you're going you're in a hurry ama unaenda kutoanisha nguo, utapata you're not utoanishi manguo unaziacha all over, and then in the evening you have to arrange them again. That is one way of keeping your room very, very neat. Make sure you fold your clothes. Make sure you throw away those that you're not using. Don't throw them away, give them out. And also those ones that you're using, zikifuliwa leo, kesho zimefoldiwa the same day or the next day, na pia they are folded in a very systematic manner. I'm gonna show you my kids' wardrobe very, very soon, but not today. So point number 3, when you're decorating your kids' bedroom, make sure you decorate it according to your age. Kama wangu ni wadogo sana, I cannot be able to put glass at mirror nini hapa, frames. No, that's why you can see it's very, very empty. The only thing that I do, ninaongezeaga to stickers. As you have seen hapo nyuma kidogo, you have seen me putting stickers on the wall. Hizo stickers ninunuaga Kamukonji at 80 shillings pack moja. Those ones were 2 packs. Hizo zilikuwa packs mbili. So I buy them, I come stick them on the wall. Kama ni kasichana princess, akiharibu nanunua tena, but siku hizi naona haribu. That's why actually I put them there. For the boy unaona sijamwekea because kuna yake yenye bado we have not figured it out how we are gonna put it, but we are gonna be putting them up there. So make sure you're decorating with the things zenye zinaendanisha na their age. You can make sure you leave that space as open as possible, especially for this age. I need decorations mingi. Apana, just give them space for them to play. I'm only going to be putting a chest of drawers there and like a small basket I'm going to be sharing with you guys in another video. But make sure when you're decorating it, enda na theme ya room, na pia make sure you're using the cheapest, because wanaharibu the cheapest and the one that is going with their age. So number 3, decoration. Point number 4, chini ya kitanda, make sure there is nothing. Viatu, no, just create a small space. Izo karai, izo mabags, don't put them under the kids bed. Hata chini ya kitanda yako, no, just find at the corner, tengeneza stand ya mbao, eka karai, mabags zenye utumia hapo, and the room is gonna look good. Chini ya kitanda, especially if your kids are prone to homa, that's unaonaga kila time wako na homa, make sure it's washed. Inapitisha hapo, anapitisha kifagio na pia mop every day to avoid homa. Make sure it's clean, make sure it's empty. Let that room breathe. Let that room breathe. Kids are very, very, their immunity are not as strong. It's strong, but kuna vitu kidogo kidogo zenye zi wasumbua. Make sure that room is clean. Make sure it's very, very empty. If there's a way you can be able to keep it as empty as this, una vile inaka empty, but then it looks cute. It looks very cute. It looks very nice. It looks very clean. The curtains are matching with the room. You can see I used 2 streams of curtains ya watoi. I bought them in Isili. Kizito is my guy, as you know. 500 shillings a meter. Hizi ni mita mbili, so that's 2,000 shillings, and then kushonewa 200 a meter. They look very, very nice. Look at the decoration. Look at that. Look at those throw pillow covers. Hizo nilinunua 200. Look at that bed. Hiyo ni bed ya msichana wangu. Akilala hapo asubuhi akiamka anafanya kazi bila pressure. So make sure you take care of your kids. Make sure you take care of your nanny. Make sure it's clean throughout. I'm not doing this because of the video. This is how my room looks like. When you wananijua, those people who have come to my home, they know this is how it's supposed to look like. Wakiamka tu watoi hivi, the windows are open, the curtains are drawn, na pia nyumba inakaa fine. This is how it's supposed to look like all through. I'm only going to be adding a few things here and there, and I'm gonna be sharing with you guys. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have learned a thing or two. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Yeah, that's my kids' bedroom. I love you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, share, and let me know what you think in the comment section. I love you, and may God bless you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.